gravel pit. Monitor tower on 118.5. Welcome to Oshkosh.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Oshkosh 2021. Just as a reminder, we're starting at Puckaway Lake, southwest corner of Puckaway Lake. Need that half-mile spacing. Everybody's doing a great job. You guys are doing great, making our job easy.
Oh, just wait.
We're ready. We can't wait. We've been looking forward to this for 2 years now. And the biplane, half-mile southwest of Fisk. Rock your wings. Great rock. Which runway you on? Let's tell you what. Let's go. Continue straight up. The railroad tracks under the right downwind runway 27.
27. Thank you.
No problem. Welcome to Oshkosh. And biplane, go ahead and monitor the tower 118.5. Make sure you turn that downwind inside the gravel pit and start the entering the downwind. High wing, tail dragger, half to Fisk, rock your wings, great rock, gosh, continue head for the right downwind runway 27, make that turn over inside the gravel pit. Once you start that turn, start that descent. Welcome to Oshkosh, happy to have you here. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. We're starting on the southwest corner of at Puckaway Lake. I'm sorry, Puckaway Lake. We're starting there. Half-mile spacing, 1,890 knots to 300 if you're faster than that. The current winds at Oshkosh are 270 at 11.30 at gun 3, gust 27, altimeter 2981. Is there a flight down there coming up the railroad tracks? High wing, half-mile southwest of Fisk. Turn right over the east-west road. 77 Alpha, you on frequency? High wing, half-mile south of Fisk. Turn right. Good job. Turn right over the east-west road. Head right 090. Keep that microwave tile on the right side. Monitor the tower on 126.6. Great job. High wing, half-mile southwest of Fisk, rock wings. Continue straight up the railroad tracks for the right downwind runway 27. Monitor the tower on 118.5. R over Fisk, over. Number 2, there's 2 of them there. The first one, half-mile southwest of Fisk. Low wing, rock your wings. You're right behind that high wing. You're right behind that high wing. Rock your wing, please. All right, second one, you keep taking it. Second one, turn right down the east-west road. Turn right on the wing, turn right, please. 126.6. And the low wing that's behind the high wing, rock your wings if you hear me. Blue stripe, black and white stripe. Maybe if you're going past the Fisk, enter the right down.
Now for runway 36, you are rocked. The number 2 aircraft. Turn right now. All right. I got a high wing of Fisk right now. Rock your wings for me. Rock your wings, high wing right over the top of Fisk. Right. There you go. I want you to turn right. I need you to go to runway 36. We're over 7, runway 27. There you go. East-west road, monitor tower 126, runway 36. If you fit past your Fisk and you are over the railroad tracks for runway 7, monitor tower 115. Highway, half-mile southwest Fisk. Rock your wings. The good rock for the high wing. Turn right, please. Turn right. 090. Please. Thank you very much. I got another high wing with a flight in left wing.
And Chinook, just hold your position.
Holding. You want to make some circles out there? It's okay. 2 here on positive. 2 for the fish. So just hold it like a couple turns. I'll get right back to you.
That's the left. The grass. Flagman. Welcome to Oshkosh. Just see the tower, 3 left base, 36 left in the purple dot. And it's going to be about a 5 to 7 minute C7. I got to get out of C7 for you. Everybody in Fisk, just continue following the east-west road, beam the tower, expect clearance and purple dot line. Sorry, turn left on the runway, or correction, left off the runway, follow the flagman, welcome Oshkosh. Tower, start your base, left base, runway plan, purple dot, and purple dot.
One F1, Warbird.
Base runway 36. Epsilon reported 2 miles.
Blue and white Lance there. Turbine, Frontenac.
They're over Fort Island, right. To assess the types from the tower. Rocket wing.
Traffic already in the left base. Just turn to left base there. You guys are flight. Okay, one did. Let's go to 36 right for you. 36 right side there. I see you're going over there. 36 right, clear down the red there. It's red square. Red one there. Full final for 36 left. The high wing, white wing. You just go to 36 left. How about the tips if you got? Go over to the right side, please. Right side. Okay, I see that. Whoever the Cessna that you see somebody in front of you, if you see a Cessna in front of you, go to the right side. I see your turn there. Go to the right side, 36 right, clear to land on the red square. You're just going to roll it all the way to the end. Great job for that. Roll it all the way to the end.
Number 2. And the white Epsilon.
Slow down.
White Epsilon, final slow down for only 36 left, following traffic, short final.
And following. Yeah, for the twin there, just put it right on the numbers there. For the Cessna on 36 left, keep it in the air all the way to the yellow dot. Keep it in the air. I need you to go fast. Keep it in the air, please.
Aircraft on 36 left, turn left into the grass, follow the flagman.
Tower, I've got the Cessna right over me. Am I clear to land on the red dot?
Cessna, go around then. Cessna, go around. Go around, Cessna then. Red tip Cessna, go around. Red tip Cessna, go around. I see you. Yep, there you go. In a right turn. You're in a right turn. Good job. Go around for the right turn. Okay, the one that's going around, once you climb up a little bit, and enter a right traffic head southbound. I'll call you back in a moment. Okay, I see you both going around. That's fine. Let's just do that. The one that's lined up on the runway, fly to the tower here, then start a right turn. The one that's kind of heading eastbound, once you start a right turn now for the downwind. Right turn for the downwind. You're going to 36 right. Great job in the right turn there. 36 rights, clear to land all the way to the red there. Square, please. Red square. High wing sets a short final 36 left. You're just going to clear to land on the purple dot. Come down on the purple dot. If you're over the runway right now, just put it down. Over the runway 36 left, put it down, purple dot. Great job. Left to the grass when you can. Follow the flagman. The parking guys. Welcome to Oshkosh. One's at a slight right turn being the tower, right turn. You got that Chinook out there. Get a right turn there. If you just be in the tower here, right turn. Good job. You're on the right turn into the downwind. The one on the right base for 36 right, you clear to land on the red square.
And Y up on 36 right, red square.
Good job there. Everybody on final, Cessna type that's on short final there, clear to land on the 36 left.
36 left.
Right up on 36 left there. Do you see the guy in front of you?
I do. Space is a little tight. Can we request that 36 right?
Yeah, let's do that. 360, sir. Give me a quick 360 there. Line up for 36 left.
360 for 36 left.
Okay, thanks a lot for the Epsilon, then come back to 36 left. You cleared on the purple dot there, sir. Okay, the Cessna is over the lake. You're over the top of the Chinook. You're fine. Continue that right turn for the downwind. Chinook, there's going to be a Cessna there high. The Cessna over the lake, right turn southbound for the downwind there, please. Good job on the right side there. Down to the red square, and then just roll off all the way to the end. You're clear to land. Follow the flag in the park, and welcome.
Blue Lancer, Warbird.
Blue Lancer, Warbird, Roger. Why don't you come inbound for the right base entry at runway 36 right.
36 right base.
Cessna over lake heading southbound there. You're doing a great job. You can tighten up a little bit. You're going to the skinny runway. So set up for the right base of 36 right. Clear to land on the red square. You're going to roll off to the end.
Aircraft on 36 left, follow the flagman, welcome to Oshkosh. Epsilon lining up, purple dot, runway 36 left, go to land.
Welcome.
Just on the right base for 36 right, tighten it up for me. Runway 36 right, clear to land, red dot, or correction, red square. Epsilon, short final 36 left, you're still clear to land. Purple dot.
Tracking Tucson.
And Chinook holding over the shore, expect about another minute.
Epsilon, put it down the numbers there, sir. Just put it down, slow it up, put it down the numbers. Steps on the runway, left turn the grass when you can. It's been rolled. Left turn, left, sir.
Number 36 Kilo Romeo is on frequency.
On frequency. 36 Kilo Romeo on frequency.
Number 6 Kilo Romeo, stay position.
We're about 5 miles out.
North, south, east, where you at, sir?
We are to the southeast.
Okay, why don't you just head up straight in runway 36. Give me a call, 3 mile final. Right in for runway 36 left.
36 left, give you a call, 3 mile final, 0 Kilo Romeo.
Lands there on base, 36 right, clear to land, red square.
Clear to land, red square, flat there, blue.
Epsilon, thanks for the help on the way in. Continue straight ahead if you're going to Warbird.
Straight ahead. Green and white, Twin Commander at Fond du Lac.
Reporting Fond du Lac, report Warbird Island, say again.
Green and white, Twin